All right, we're in the Mazda CX-9 taking a look at the lane keep assist system that's available in a lot of the upper trim levels of the Mazda lineup across the sedans and crossovers. We're going to be using the command knob and the infotainment system to go ahead and take a look at a few of the settings that you can control in your Mazda. First, when we are on the home screen of the infotainment system, we're going to move over to the settings tab. Go ahead and depress that command knob and use the command knob to push right over to the safety tab. When you do get there and you have lane keep assist, all you do is scroll down to that. Go ahead and press that in, and we've got a few settings that we can control. The first one is called intervention, and that's really whether or not the vehicle is actually going to make the physical moves to keep you in the lane. If you do want to turn that off, you can still get the alerts and warnings, which is going to happen at or just before that vehicle notices that you are leaving the lane, and then it'll tell you on that warning whether it's often or rare, basically allowing you to change the sensitivity of the lane keep assist system. We're going to go ahead and turn that intervention back on so that we can take a look at the lane departure alert. Now, the lane departure alert is going to do two things. If you want to turn it off, it's not going to give you that alert. And the alert settings are set in here. It can either give you a vibration, a beep, or a rumble. Now, the vibration is the most common because it gives just that slight shake to the steering wheel that vibrates, letting you know that you're about to leave the lane. And then you can change the vibration strength to either a high or a low vibration. Now, that's different than actually when the vehicle is making the torque moves to steer the vehicle back in the lane, which is the intervention system. The alert is the vibration system that tells the driver it's about to do that intervention. So you've got those two pieces of settings, and really a great safety system again to make sure that you're not moving into another lane, especially on busy highways or with small medians. That's the lane keep assist system on the Mazda vehicle and the opportunities that you have to adjust the system within the Mazda infotainment center. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to comment, ask questions below, or come into one of our 4 locations in Tennessee and Oklahoma and talk to one of our client advisors and see how lane keep assist can help you in your everyday driving.